Hi folks, today we are going to see about the Apache Maven installation on Windows machine. Okay, this is the site URL maven.apache.org/download.cge. This is a site URL to download the Apache Maven. Maven is used to build your projects, actually build your artifacts, Java artifacts and all. Okay, these are the system requirements. Maven 3.3 requires a JDK 1.7. In the previous video we have seen about the JDK 1.8 installation, that is enough. Memory, there is no minimum requirement. Disk 10 MB is required actually. Based on your repository, actually it will the size you have to provide the size required for your repository. Actually operating system, there is no things and all, there is no requirements and all. Okay, files, I'm going to download this Apache Maven 3.63 bin tar gz actually. Okay, it is downloading. It will take some time only, it will take minimum time. Okay, I have downloaded the package and unzipped it into the D colon. Actually it has Apache Maven 3.6.3. it has some folders, base folders and all, bin, boot, conf and lib and all actually. Okay, once you copied the folder into your drive, we need to set the Maven Home. Okay, Maven Home and path. Actually for Maven Home, till the folder which above the bin, that is enough. Actually let's go to the Windows and type PC, good, and right click PC and properties and go to the advanced system setting and environment variable. Okay, I am setting the name Maven underscore home. Okay, I'm setting the path, click OK, and after that I need to set the path as well. Path is till the bin, actually it's a path. Okay, I'm setting both the variables, one in user variables and one system variables. So okay, click OK. Okay, now I am going to type this thing in command and prompt. Actually mvn hyphen version. If our variables are set correctly, it will provide the version. Actually yeah, it's our Maven home and path is we set it up correctly. It lists down the Maven version and all, actually 3.6.3. also it lists down the JRE version as well, 1.8. okay, that's it guys, bye.